In the ever-evolving world of technology, staying up to date with the latest advancements is essential to unlock the full potential of your computer. Windows 10, the pinnacle of Microsoft's innovation, is here to revolutionize your computing experience. This comprehensive installation guide will serve as your roadmap, guiding you through each step to seamlessly transition to Windows 10 and embark on a remarkable journey of productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Windows 10 is more than just an operating system, it's a powerful tool designed to cater to your every computing need. Whether you're a student, professional, artist, or a tech-savvy enthusiast, Windows 10 offers a multitude of features and capabilities that will elevate your digital experience to new heights. From the sleek and intuitive interface to the vast ecosystem of applications and services, Windows 10 empowers you to work smarter, create masterpieces, and indulge in immersive entertainment like never before. This comprehensive installation guide is your gateway to harnessing the full potential of Windows 10. We'll navigate through each step together, ensuring a smooth transition from your current operating system to the cutting-edge world of Windows 10. From checking system requirements and preparing your computer to obtaining the installation media and customizing your settings, we leave no stone unturned in our quest to empower you with a seamless and hassle-free installation experience. As you embark on this journey, be prepared to embrace a whole new level of productivity. Windows 10 introduces innovative features such as a virtual assistant, Cortana, and a streamlined multitasking interface that enables you to efficiently manage your workload. Get ready to unleash your creativity with powerful tools like the Paint 3D application and integrated support for pen and touch devices, empowering you to bring your ideas to life like never before. Windows 10 is also a gateway to endless entertainment possibilities. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, playing graphically rich games, or exploring the immersive world of virtual reality, Windows 10 provides a seamless and optimized platform for your entertainment needs. The Microsoft Store offers a wide range of applications and games, ensuring you never run out of ways to have fun and stay entertained. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with Windows 10? Get ready to unleash the power, versatility, and endless possibilities that await you. Follow this comprehensive installation guide, and soon you'll find yourself seamlessly integrated into the vibrant ecosystem of Windows 10. Enjoying a computing experience that is tailored to your unique needs and desires. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before installing Windows 10, ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Verify that your processor, RAM, storage space, and graphics card are compatible with Windows 10. Visit the official Microsoft website for detailed specifications. Step 2. Backup your data to avoid data loss during the installation process. Backup all important files, documents, photos, and any other data on your computer. Create a backup on an external hard drive, cloud storage, or use a reliable backup software. Step 3. Obtain a Windows 10 installation media. Obtain a copy of the Windows 10 installation media. You can either purchase a physical copy or download an ISO file from the Microsoft website. Ensure that you have a valid product key to activate your Windows 10 license. Step 4. Create installation media. If you've downloaded the ISO file, create a bootable USB drive using the Windows USB/DVD download tool or other software like Rufus. This will allow you to install Windows 10 from the USB drive. Step 5. Configure BIOS/UEFI settings. Restart your computer and access the BIOS/UEFI settings by pressing the appropriate key, usually displayed during startup. Ensure that the boot order is set to prioritize the USB drive or DVD-ROM, depending on your installation media. Step 6. Start the installation process. Insert the bootable USB drive or DVD into your computer and restart. Follow the on-screen prompts to start the installation process. Select your language, time zone, and keyboard layout preferences. Step 7. Choose Custom Installation. When prompted to choose the installation type, select the Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced option. This allows you to perform a clean installation of Windows 10. Step 8. Partition and format the drive. Select the drive where you want to install Windows 10. If the drive contains existing partitions, choose the drive and click Delete. Create new partitions, if necessary, and format the drive using the NTFS file system. Step 9. Install Windows 10. After partitioning and formatting, select the drive with unallocated space and click Next to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 10. The process may take some time, and your computer will restart multiple times. Step 10. Set up Windows 10. Once the installation is complete, follow the prompts to personalize Windows 10. Create a user account, set a password, and customize settings according to your preferences. Install necessary drivers, update Windows, and reinstall applications from your backup. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the comprehensive 10-step guide to installing Windows 10 on your computer. By following each step carefully, you have now upgraded your operating system to the latest version, unlocking a world of new features, enhanced performance, and improved security. Throughout the installation process, you learned the importance of checking system requirements to ensure compatibility, backing up your data to prevent any potential loss, and obtaining the necessary installation media, whether it be a physical copy or a downloaded ISO file. Creating a bootable USB drive or DVD allows you to initiate the installation and configure your BIOS/UEFI settings to prioritize the installation media. With the installation underway, you performed a clean installation, partitioned and formatted your drive, and patiently followed the prompts until Windows 10 was successfully installed. Remember to personalize your settings, create a user account, and reinstall necessary drivers and applications from your backup. Now that Windows 10 is up and running on your computer, you can enjoy the benefits of its new features, improved performance, and enhanced security measures. Keep your system up to date by installing the latest updates and security patches provided by Microsoft to ensure a smooth and secure computing experience. Feel free to explore the various customization options available in Windows 10, tailor it to your preferences, and discover the vast array of software and applications compatible with this latest operating system. Remember that learning and adapting to a new operating system may take time, so don't hesitate to explore online resources, forums, and tutorials to maximize your Windows 10 experience. Stay curious, embrace new possibilities, and make the most of the powerful tools and capabilities at your disposal. Thank you for choosing Windows 10 and investing time in this comprehensive installation guide. Now, go ahead and enjoy the seamless and efficient computing experience that Windows 10 offers.